Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay rent with MoneyGram. Paying rent can be a hassle, but with MoneyGram, it can be made easier and more convenient. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps of paying rent with MoneyGram. First, you need to find a MoneyGram location near you. You can do this by visiting the MoneyGram website and using their location finder tool. Simply enter your zip code or city and state, and you will be given a list of nearby locations. Once you have found a location, gather the necessary information. You will need the name and address of your landlord or property manager, as well as your account number. You will also need to have the rent amount and any additional fees. Next, go to the MoneyGram location and let the agent know that you want to send a payment. They will guide you through the process and provide you with a form to fill out. On the form, you will need to provide the recipient's information, including their name and address, as well as your account number. After filling out the form, you will need to provide the payment. You can pay with cash or debit card, depending on the location. The agent will then give you a receipt as proof of payment. It is also important to note that MoneyGram charges a fee for their services. The fee amount will depend on the location and the amount you are sending. Be sure to ask the agent about the fee before you send the payment. Finally, be sure to keep your receipt as proof of payment. You can also track your payment online or through the MoneyGram mobile app to ensure that it has been delivered to your landlord or property manager. By following these steps, you can easily pay your rent with MoneyGram. Remember to always keep your receipt and track your payment to ensure that it has been delivered. Paying rent with MoneyGram is a convenient and reliable way to make your payments on time.